All right, let's talk about selling on Amazon. If you've ever looked into it, you know it can feel like a lot, just completely overwhelming. Where do you even start? Well, today we're going to cut through all of that noise. We're going to break down the biggest mistakes that trip up new sellers, and more importantly, give you a super simple path to just sidestep them completely. Okay, let's get into it.
This quote right here, it's really the whole game. See, selling on Amazon isn't some impossible puzzle that only geniuses can figure out. Honestly, success usually just boils down to one thing: avoiding a few common, totally predictable mistakes that almost everybody makes when they're just starting out.
So first up, the biggest mistakes aren't even about your product or your pricing. Nope, they're all about what's going on up here in your head. We're talking about the mental hurdles, these paralysis traps that cause so many people to quit before they even begin. Let's break them down.
Sound familiar? You spend weeks, maybe even months, just falling down this endless research rabbit hole. You've watched like 100 top 10 products to sell videos. You've got spreadsheets with a million different ideas, and you're always chasing that one single perfect product. You know, this isn't research anymore. It's just analysis paralysis. You're stuck. So, what's the fix? It's almost painfully simple. You just have to pick a product, and then you have to commit. You got to make a decision. Look, the goal isn't to find the world's most perfect product on day one. The goal is to get in the game.
And this is absolutely non-negotiable. You need to give yourself a hard deadline. 2 weeks. That's it. 14 days from now, you will have a product chosen. Why? Because it forces you to stop thinking and start doing. A pretty good product that you actually launch now is infinitely better than a perfect product that you never get around to.
And that just leads us right into the next trap. I want you to ask yourself this and be honest. Is your hunt for the perfect brand or the perfect logo or the perfect packaging, is it really just a fancy way of procrastinating? Are you using all these little details as an excuse to avoid the really scary part, which is actually launching the thing? This is where so many new sellers get it twisted. You obsess over getting the logo just right, making the packaging design look amazing, getting the branding story perfect. But the reality? For your first product, none of that stuff really moves the needle. Your first customers, they're not going to buy because of your fancy logo. They'll buy because your product actually solves a problem for them. Simple as that.
All right, so we've covered the mindset traps. Now let's get into the foundational flaws. These are the more tangible, strategic screw-ups in what you choose to sell and, just as important, how you decide to price it.
You want to know one of the fastest ways to fail? Pick a product category that's super complicated from the get-go. I'm talking electronics, which have a ton of returns and technical problems, or supplements, which come with a mountain of regulations and, frankly, scary liability risks. Anything that needs special certification is just adding a huge, unnecessary roadblock for a first-timer.
The fix here is basically a golden rule for your whole Amazon journey, but it's especially true for that first product. Keep it simple. Always. Pick a product that doesn't need batteries, that people don't swallow, and that doesn't need some government agency to sign off on it. Trust me, simplicity is your absolute best friend.
Okay, let's say you did it. You launched. But then, crickets. You hit the most frustrating wall there is. No sales. And you start asking yourself, why isn't this thing selling? You start to panic, right? Thinking you've got to change everything. And this right here is the classic mistake. When sales are slow, your brain immediately jumps to complicated things. I need better photos. I need more keywords. I need to rewrite the whole listing. But, 9 times out of 10, especially at the start, the problem is way, way simpler. It's your price. Before you tear everything apart, just look at your price.
So, we've gone through the traps, we've gone through the flaws. Enough about the problems. Let's shift gears and talk solutions. This is the Action Taker's Playbook. This is your simple, straight-up plan to get unstuck, to launch faster, and, this is the most important part, to start learning sooner.
Because if we had to boil everything we've talked about down to the single most critical mistake of all, it would be this: not launching fast enough. In the world of online business, and especially on Amazon, speed is everything. It's your biggest advantage. The market does not wait for perfect. Speed wins.
And here's why that speed is so powerful. When you launch quickly, you start getting real-world data from actual customers. That means you learn faster than all the people still stuck in their spreadsheets. And because you're learning faster, you can adjust faster. Your price, your keywords, your whole strategy. And what does all that lead to? Well, you start making money sooner.
Okay, so for anybody listening right now who feels stuck in that paralysis trap we talked about earlier, this next bit
is specifically for you. This is your tactical fix. Think of it as your immediate escape route. This is what you can do, like right now, to break that cycle.
Here it is. 4 dead simple steps. 1. Pick a product. Today, not tomorrow. 2. Go on a site like Alibaba and message 3 different suppliers for that product. 3. Just ask them for pricing. That's it. And 4. The second you have those numbers, pick one and move forward. The point here isn't a deep analysis, it's just about action. It's about getting the ball rolling.
And yep, here's another hard deadline for you. Your goal is to get that pricing info back within 48 hours. This isn't about finding the absolute rock-bottom cheapest price in the entire world. It's just about getting the information you need to make a decision and keep things moving. The name of the game is momentum.
All of which brings us to our final and honestly our most important point. After all this, the products, the pricing, the mindset, what is the one thing that really truly separates the winners from the people who never get off the ground? What is your ultimate advantage?
It's this. Execution beats intelligence every single time. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room with the most genius idea. You just have to be the person who actually does something. An imperfect plan that you execute is 1,000 times more valuable than a perfect plan that just stays on a whiteboard.
So, I'll leave you with this question. Don't worry about next week or next month. Based on what we've talked about, what is the one single action you're going to take today to move your business forward? That's your challenge. Go get it done.